This is a Hayward pool cleaner, and in this video we're going to replace the side pods. These guys right here. And how I know these are bad is the pool cleaner was not working effectively. It was kind of going in circles. It wasn't reaching the whole pool. It wasn't going up hills very well. And also, there's a spring back here, and on this side we have no spring. So we've got a dead foot. To get started, we're going to take the wings off. You should buy new wings when you get your new pod kit. They do not come with a pod kit. You're only going to need a 1/4-inch drive socket and a flathead screwdriver to do this. We're going to take the screwdriver, we're going to pop him back here to reveal a screw inside there. Take our ratchet. You can use a nut driver as well, just as long as it gets down in there. Screw out. Now we're going to take the flathead screwdriver again, and we're going to work this dude off of a stem that's in there. Do you see this piece right here? Let me zoom in on that. See right here? We're going to be prying. We want to pry on top of that. So between here and there, and we're going to work it up and get it off. I'm going to put new shoes on the new pods. It's easier to do it when it's not attached to the cleaner. We're going to get the new guy wet. I've got a glass of water. We need to put them on the correct direction, and how we do that is we align. There's a large nub and a small nub, large hole, small hole, and smush them in. Do the other one. Smush them in. We got new shoes. There is a left side and a right side. So here's our right side. Here is our, where does it say on here? Left side. This is the left side. So we don't want to use that one. We want to use the right one. And you can see that there is a kind of two flat sides on there. We're just going to kind of work him in. Maybe pull that back a little bit. Maybe angle it in like that. And smush him on. There we go. Take our ratchet. Tighten him up. New plug. Whoops. Get our socket out of there. New plug. Plug up that hole. Okay, I've got both new pods on. Time to put on the new wings. We've got a left side and a right side. We're just gonna take these dudes and kind of wiggle him behind there. Wiggle him behind there. Flappy, flappy. Come over to this side. Same thing. Boom. And boom. Flappy, flappy. We're good. And there we go. New pods. Old junky pods going in the trash. If you have any questions on how to get this done, leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out. Link in the description on where you can buy everything I used in the video to repair the pool cleaner. Have a great day.